Just push it forwards.
Push it.
Just push it forward. Now, Con, get your hand on the brace piece.
You can do it then if you want to do it.
No, you can do. You're fine doing it.
Here, like this one. Hold this hand and push it. I'm helping you.
You won't fall.
Oh, here, you won't do it. I'm trying to help you. There you go.
Right, now hold on there, right? Now what I'm going to do is now, you hold it there now, right? I'll go another bit, go another bit. Now I'm going to drag the forks back and you hold that steady, right? And then it'll drop off the centre piece, bracing piece, right? So you're going to take the weight of that now, Con. When I drag it back, you're holding the frame still, right? We all right? Yeah. Give it a shove. Shove it, Con. Yo, shove it forward. There you go. That's the way. Very good. Keep going, Jamesy. Right, I'm going back again. Now it'll probably just drop now in a sec, right? Right, push it. There you go, James. There we go, right? Now I'm going to keep coming back. Right? Have you got it tight? You just hold it solid there now. Now I'm going to drop the forks now, right? It won't really funny, you just have to hold it, right? I'm going to drop the forks a bit. Much room right at the top of the frame. Now we're going to go back again, right? You got it? Hang on, drop it again. It shouldn't really slam down because I'm going to let it down. Nice. Huh? You what?
You need to pull back, you need to reverse more.
Oh yeah, no, we're okay there, it's alright. Very good job, very, very good job. Very, very good job, I love it. Very good. Now, all we have to do now is get a couple of clamps on there now, so. Yeah, I'm gonna get it lift for